In the ever-evolving world of business, the mindset of an entrepreneur plays a pivotal role in determining success. A growth mindset, as opposed to a fixed mindset, fosters resilience, adaptability, and a continuous desire for self-improvement, essential traits for navigating the complexities of entrepreneurship. Practical steps to cultivate a growth mindset involve embracing challenges, take on projects that push your limits, learning from feedback, actively seek constructive criticism and use it to improve your skills and business practices. Setting learning goals. Instead of focusing solely on outcomes, set goals aimed at personal development or skill acquisition. Celebrating effort, not just achievement. This reinforces the value of growth and improvement. If you are looking for tailored strategies to grow your education, business, or NGO, consider partnering with us. At Market My Training Solutions, we specialize in creating custom digital blueprints that fit your unique business needs. Visit us at marketmytrainingsolutions.com to explore how data-driven solutions can enhance your entrepreneurial journey.